Hi, welcome to We Learn It, a platform to upgrade yourself. Today's session is going to be very important to get your GK knowledge updated so that you can do well in any competitive examinations. Today, we will look at the top 30 first men of India. This list has been prepared based on the questions were asked in many examinations repeatedly, and I'm sure that it will help you a lot. So, let's start. Friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of our upcoming videos. And you can watch the all previous videos of this GK series by clicking on this link. So, let's start. The first question is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize, and he is Rabindranath Tagore. Let's look at his details. He was born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata in West Bengal. The special days of his life: in 1963, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for the best poetry called Gitanjali. Let's move to second question. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, and he is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Let's look at some details. He was born on 13th of May 1962 in Tiruttani in Madras, present it's in Tamil Nadu. The special days of his life: in 1954, he received Bharat Ratna Award, and he was the first Vice President of independent India. The next question is the first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice. So he is Navang Gombu. He was born on 1st of May 1936 in Minzu, Kingdom of Tibet. Later, he got Indian citizenship. The special day of his life: in 1965, he became the first man to have climbed the Mount Everest twice. The next question is the first president of Indian Republic, and he was Shri Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was born on 3rd of December 1884 in Ziradai in Bengal, at present in Bihar. The special day of his life: on 26th of Jan 1950, he became the first president of independent India. Let's move to the next question. The first Prime Minister of independent India, and he was Shri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14th of November 1889 in Allahabad, which is in Uttar Pradesh. The special day of his life: on 15th of August 1947, he became the first Prime Minister of India, and in 1950 he received Bharat Ratna Award. Let's move to the sixth question. The first Muslim president of independent India, and he was Shri Dr. Zakir Hussain. He was born on 8th of February 1897 in Hyderabad, which is in Telangana state. The special day of his life: on 13th of May 1967, he became the first Muslim president of India. Let's move to the question number 7. The first British Governor General of India. He was Lord William Bentinck. He was born on 14 September 1774 at Buckinghamshire in England. The special day of his life: he served as a Governor General of India right from 1828 to 1835. His great work was abolishing sati. Let's move to the question number 8. Who is the first Indian pilot? The first Indian pilot was J.R.D. Tata. He was born on 29th of July 1904 in Paris, which is in France. And the special day of his life, in 1929, he became the first licensed pilot of India. And he was also the chairman of Tata Group. Let's move to the next question. The first Indian man in space. And he was Shri Rakesh Sharma. He was born on 13th of January 1949 in Patiala, which is in Punjab in India. The special day of his life, on 3rd April 1984, he flew in space and he was awarded Ashoka Chakra, also the hero of the Soviet Union. Let's move to the 10th question. The first Indian to join the ICS, which stands for Indian Civil Service, and he was Satyendranath Tagore. He was born on 1st of June 1842 in Calcutta in Bengal in India. The special day of his life, in 1863, he passed the Indian Civil Service examinations and posted to many places in India. So he was the first person to join Indian Civil Service. Let's move to the next question. The first Indian Commander-Chief of India, and he was General Cariappa. He was born on 29th of December 1898 in Shaniwara Sante, Kodagu in Karnataka state, India. The special day of his life, in 1949, he appointed as a Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army. Let's move to the 12th question. The first Chief of Army Staff, and he was General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. He was born on 15th of June 1899 in Sarodar in Kathiawar in Navnagar state. The special day of his life, in 1953, he was appointed as a Chief of Indian Army and also he was awarded DSO. Let's move to the next question. The first President of India who died while being at office. He was Dr. Zakir Hussain. He was born on 8th of February 1897 in Hyderabad, Telangana state. The special day, in 1967, he became the third President of India and he was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1963. Let's move to the next question. The first Field Marshal of India, and he was SHF Manekshaw. The details of him. He was born on 3rd April 1914 at Amritsar, which is in Punjab in India. The special day of his life, when he became the first Indian Army officer to be promoted as Field Marshal. Let's move to the next question. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. He was Shri C.V. Raman. He was born on 7th of November 1888 in Thiruvannaikaval, Tamil Nadu in India. The special day of his life, he got Nobel Award in Physics for the work on the scattering of light for this discovery of the effect, which is named after him. Let's move to the question number 16th. The first Indian to cross English Channel, and he was Mihir Sen. He was born on 16th of November 1960 in Purulia in Bengal in India. The special day of his life, he was the first Indian to swim the English Channel from Dover to Calais in 1958. He did this in 14 hours and 45 minutes. Let's move to the next question. The first person to receive Gyanpith Award. He was Sri Shankar Kurup. He was born on 3rd of June 1901 at Nayathude, Kerala. The special day of his life, he was the first Indian to receive the Gyanpith Award for the book of poems called Odakkuzhal, which is the collection of Malayalam poems. Let's move to the 18th question. The first speaker of the Lok Sabha, and he was Sri Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. He was born on 27th of November 1888 in Baroda in India. The special day of his life was in 1952. He was elected as the first speaker of Lok Sabha, which is known as Lower House of Parliament, India. Let's move to the next question. The first Vice President of India, and he was Sri Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5th of September 1888 in Tiruttani in Tamil Nadu in India. The special day of his life, in 1962, he became the first Indian Vice President of India. And in 1954, he was awarded Bharat Ratna. Let's move to the next question. The first Education Minister of India. He was Sri Abul Kalam Azad. He was born on 11th of November 1888 in Mecca, which is in Saudi Arabia. The special day of his life, on 15th of August 1947, he became the first Education Minister of India, and he was also awarded Bharat Ratna. Let's move to the next question. The first Home Minister of India, and he was Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is known as the Iron Man of India. He was born on 31st of October 1875 in Nadiad in Gujarat. The special day of his life, on 15th of August 1947, he became the first Home Minister as well as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Let's move to the next question. The first Indian Air Chief Marshal, and he was Sri Subrata Mukherjee. He was born on 5th of March 1911 in Kolkata in India. The special day of his life was he was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of Indian Air Force. He was also called as the father of the Indian Air Force. Let's move to the next question. The first judge of International Court of Justice, and he was Sri Dr. Nagendra Singh. He was born on 18th of March 1914 in Dangarpur, which is in Rajasthan. The special day of his life, in 1985, he was appointed as the President of International Court of Justice. And also, he was the judge of the same. Let's move to the next question. The first person to receive Paramveer Chakra, and he was Sri Major Somnath Sharma. He was born on 31st of January 1923 in Dad in Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh, which is in India. The special day of his life, when he received the Indian highest military award known as Paramveer Chakra. Let's move to the next question. The first chief election Commissioner of India. And he was Shri Sukumar Sen. He was born on 2nd of January 1898 in a Bengali Vaidya Brahmin family. The special day of his life, in 1950, he was appointed as the first Chief Election Commissioner of India. Let's move to the next question. The first person to receive Magsaysay Award, and he was Shri Acharya Vinoba Bhave. He was born on 11th of September 1895 in Gagoji Kulaba in Maharashtra. The special day of his life, in 1958, he was awarded the International Raman Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership, and in 1983 he was awarded Bharat Ratna. Let's move to the next question. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics, and he was Shri Amartya Sen. He was born on 3rd of November 1933 in Shantiniketan, which is in West Bengal in India. The special day of his life, in 1988, he was awarded the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics Sciences, and in 1999 he got Bharat Ratna Award. Let's move to the next question. The first person to receive Stalin Prize, he was Shri Saifuddin Kichlu. He was born on 5th of January 1888 in Amritsar, which is in Punjab. And the special day of his life, in 1952, he received the Stalin Peace Prize, and also he became the trustee of Jallianwala Bagh National Memorial Trust. Let's move to the next question. The first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna, and he was Shri Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was born on 6th of February 1890 in Utmanzi, Hashtnagar, Punjab, which is present in Pakistan. The special day of his life, when he opposed the proposal of partition of India, he was against of it, and in 1987 he received the Bharat Ratna Award. Now let's move to the last question of this session, and that is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court, and he was Shri Justice Hiralal J. Kania. He was born on 3rd of November 1890 in Navsari in Gujarat, which is in India. The special day of his life, on 26th of January 1950, he was appointed as the first Chief Justice of India. If you want to upgrade your skills like communication, spoken English, English grammar, computer courses, interview skills, then please visit our channel on daily basis and don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching. Take care.